Hey everyone, welcome back to the Hidden Brick, where today we're going to build the Lego Bean There Donut That set. So it's kind of a pun, but it's a coffee stand and donut stand combo. So Bean There stands for the coffee beans, donut that. So it's basically a pun of been there, done that. So anyway, this is a Target exclusive set. It was picked, you can see right here, only at Target. So picked this up at Target. I believe it was a $20 retail set, which is kind of high considering it only has 146 pieces. It does have four minifigures and a dog, a bike, donuts, coffee related stuff and all that. So it's kind of a I would say like an accessory pack to like a Lego City type set, but it's not necessarily a particular theme. So it's not like it's calling it out as a creator set or a Lego City set. It's just a set. So very small instruction book, and then unnumbered bags. Open up all of the bags at once, dump them all out. So I initially had my eyes on this set just because, you know, I'm always drawn to exclusive sets, and, you know, sometimes there's exclusive minifigures and stuff in them. I wouldn't say there's anything exclusive in here. There are some rarities, and we'll kind of look at those here in a little bit. So the first thing we're going to do is put together the minifigures. So we have a businessman. So he's got a nice suit on, and where's his head? There's four heads rolling around. There it is. So he has the beard and the black hair. It's kind of weird color combination. Actually, it's more the brownish, dark brownish hair. So his beard is lighter color than his hair, whereas normally the beard hair is about the same color. So, got your businessman. Next is the construction worker, and this reminds me a lot of the Emmett or the Lego Movie style construction workers. So we've got this guy with the glasses, and he's going to have the red construction helmet on. So we've got a kind of like a city worker. That's kind of why I say this is like an expansion of Lego City, because we got the city guys, we got the businessman, construction worker. Now this is the coffee barista, and this is the one that is kind of rare, meaning the little barista outfit. You can see it has the little coffee mug printed on the apron, and it's got a little name tag. We've seen this minifigure torso in other sets, but it's kind of rare to see it. So that's kind of a rarity. The Dalmatian dog is kind of a rarity as well. So I was pleased to see that guy in this set. And now we have either a nurse or some sort of doctor, someone that works at a hospital. And she's going to have the long hair pulled back in a ponytail. She will be holding on to a cell phone, which is a printed piece. So there's her cell phone. So that's our four minifigures and a dog. And then the other thing you have is a little banana piece as a accessory. There's gonna be a lot of cool little accessories like that. All right, so we have a bike. The bikes are not rare either, but they typically come in Lego City sets. So if you don't buy a lot of Lego City type sets, then you may or may not have a lot of these guys in your collection. But pretty basic accessory that's been around for a while. We are going to put a couple things on it. We've got the little light on the front, then we've got a plate. We're gonna put a basket right here. It's kind of a rubbery, soft basket. And then inside of there, we're gonna put a bike helmet. That way, if you decide to put one of your figures on the bike, you can put the helmet on them. So, safety first. So move that to the side. So here we're gonna build a little table. We have some money. We're gonna put on the table. We have a little plate with a donut on it. And the donut pieces are little printed 1x1 round tiles. And we have this Lego City style coffee mug. This will attach to this little base that acts as the stand for the table. Okay, move that to the side. We're building a trash can, which is basically a pre-molded trash can piece with this dish that we put on top. So that's it for that guy. We have a briefcase, and it literally, in the page in the instructions, shows us to fold this closed. So we can, once it's closed, we can put that in our businessman's hand. There's his briefcase. All right, next is a little stand that's going to be holding some of the pastries / baked goods. So we put this on here. Put a jumper tile right there. Now we're going to attach some of these round 1x1 tiles. Take one of the printed donut ones, put it there, and we have this little flag tile type piece. So that creates this little sandwich board style sign. Basically sits right on the ground next to the coffee stand. So speaking of the coffee stand, we're going to begin making that right now. So we start with this plate and we're attaching some reddish brown sorted bricks on here. A 1x1 round. This guy there. Underside we have these two pieces there. Alright, so that creates that little top piece, and then we have these 1x1 round studs with the hole in it. Let's go there, put a dark tan plate on top of those. We have more of them. I think all of the black 1x1 studs in this set all have the hole in it, so I'm not even looking at them. These are little fold down tables. They'll go on the side of the coffee stand, just like that. 1x1 plate and a 2x3 plate. Take a turntable plate. It's buried in all these small bits. That there, and the turntable piece goes right in there. So that little creates a little play feature there. We have a grill tile and a red stud there. Okay, we have a sloped brick that has a little keypad printed on there. Lego part that's been around for a long time as well. All right, so here's going to be a little display stand that's going to have all kinds of stuff on it. Got all these baked goods. Looks like some sort of cookies. And then some slices of pie. There. That little quarter round tile you can see when you put them all together, it kind of creates a pie shape. And then on this side we're going to put pink stud, a brown stud, and then another donut piece, dark teal. Turn that around. Oops. This will simply go in here. That will go on our little turntable piece. That's our little pastry stand. All right, this very light kind of aqua color. Not sure if it reads real well on the camera, but it's almost white with a very small hint of blue. So this will be part of our coffee machine. Got that piece there. So this will go right there. See, we have, turn this around. It's like this is our stack of coffee mugs. And we have another coffee mug. I'll go there. So remember those studs with the little hole in the top? We're going to use that hole to hold these bars. So we'll put 4 bars in there. With these clear panels with a plate. We'll go right in between those bars. Now we have some more studs with holes in them. We're going to put the underside of this plate, and then this will not only attach to that plate, but the bars will also be held in place. It's a nice little touch to add a little decorative element to it. Okay. Another clip with a donut. It's a lot of advertising for the donuts and such. Okay, so here we're gonna do the roof portion. Alternating colors of these bow shapes, and then we have the baby bow shapes. We're gonna do red, white, red, white, red, and white. Now on the back side here we have cheese slopes. Red and white, okay. So we make a little sign that goes on top of the roof. It's gonna consist of the brackets, these little sloped bricks with plates, and another plate on top. So we have a little hole back there. Doesn't show that being filled in with anything. Slides in there, and then we finish off our striped pattern with 2 more bows. Once again, advertising. We have a donut here. I'm going to put a clip, that piece, with a yellow coffee mug right there. take this over here. That will simply attach like that. Just like that, we have completed the bean there, donut that set. So let me adjust this so we can bring everything over. So we've got the little coffee slash donut stand. You got your worker. Well, she can be behind there or not. You've got the little table that people can stand at, eat their donuts, drink their coffee. You got the cool little bike. Got a businessman, construction worker. Dog. I'll put the dog back here. And what else do we have? Oh, we've got the little advertising sign here, a trash can, and a banana as well. That can be part of the healthier part of your breakfast. So you can have coffee, banana, and a donut. Awesome. So appreciate you guys watching. If you liked this set, let me know. Put a comment down below. Don't forget to check out the links down below for all kinds of other Lego build videos just like this one. So check them all out, and we'll see you in the next one.